Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Coinbase address to Coinbase Wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Then here you can find the option of wallet at the bottom. Now open it. Then here you can find the option of settings. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of manage all wallets. Now tap on it. Then to add the Coinbase address, then tap on to the first address that has .cb.id on its name, just like this. Then tap on to connected tabs, just right here. Then tap on to mobile. Then you can find the Coinbase address has been already connected to Coinbase Wallet. The Coinbase address will automatically add on the Coinbase Wallet once you sign in with the Coinbase account. And that's it. This is how you can add Coinbase address to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.